Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today I'll guide you through how to write a Swiss study visa application letter. This letter is a crucial document when applying for a student visa. You should begin your Swiss study visa application letter by including your personal details at the top. Start with your full name, followed by your complete address, including your city and postal code. Next, provide your email address and phone number so the embassy can easily contact you if needed. Finally, mention the date on which you are writing the letter. Below your details, address the letter to the Embassy of Switzerland. Be sure to include the embassy's full address, along with the city and postal code. After that, write a clear and concise subject line, application for Swiss study visa. Start your letter with a polite salutation, such as Dear Sir Madam. This sets a respectful and formal tone for your request. After that, write, I am writing to apply for a Swiss study visa to pursue my degree course at university name, starting from start date. I have been officially accepted into the program and have enclosed my admission letter along with other required documents. Studying in Switzerland will allow me to gain high-quality education and enhance my career prospects in your field of study. I assure you that I have made all necessary arrangements for my accommodation and financial support during my stay. Enclosed are my bank statements and sponsorship details as proof of sufficient funds. I kindly request you to consider my application and grant me the visa to fulfill my academic aspirations. Sincerely, your full name. Here's our sample Swiss study visa application letter. You'll notice how it clearly presents your intent to study in Switzerland and outlines essential details such as your admission to a recognized institution, your study plans, and your financial arrangements. The letter also emphasizes your commitment to complying with Swiss visa regulations and returning to your home country upon completing your studies. By following this format step by step, you can create a clear and persuasive letter that effectively communicates your study plans and eligibility for the visa. This letter helps the reviewing officer understand your purpose for studying in Switzerland and demonstrates your preparedness for the journey ahead. And with that, I end this video. If you found it helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on writing essential application letters.